Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the right Mac OS version and enough disk space before you begin. First, check about this Mac to confirm compatibility and free 200 MB. Once done, open Safari or another browser and search for the official Chrome download page. Choose the Mac option for Intel or Apple Silicon. Make sure to select the correct chip type so the installer fits your system. You're starting the download now. Watch the downloads bar and prepare to open the DMG file when it finishes. You've opened the DMG, double-click to mount the disk image and reveal the Chrome icon next to Applications. Drag Chrome into Applications and authenticate with your Mac password if prompted. That installs it system-wide. Once installed, eject the mounted image and open Chrome from Applications. Make sure to grant permissions when Mac OS asks, then sign into your Google account to sync bookmarks, passwords, and extensions. If you want Chrome as your primary browser, set it as default when prompted. This streamlines links and downloads. You're nearly finished. Enable automatic updates so Chrome stays secure, and import bookmarks and extensions from Safari or Firefox to restore your workflow. Make sure to review privacy settings and site permissions to control camera, mic, and location access. If Chrome fails to open, check Mac OS Gatekeeper. Right-click Chrome in Applications and choose Open to bypass unidentified developer blocks. As a deeper fix, open Terminal and remove the quarantine flag using sudo zatter rdcom. Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.